We have arrived. Animal Kingdom, here we come.
Me too, buddy, me too.
What are you doing? Still some construction going on, looks like, over by the Tree of Life. Still got the walls up, so they're not done with that yet. Listen, okay, this is the craziest thing I've ever heard in my life. Nikki said she likes the Festival of the Lion King better than the Indiana Jones show.
I do.
You're out of your mind.
I like
The music? So we ventured into Pandora and we're gonna go on Navi River journey, which in my opinion is kind of like It's a Small World on acid almost. Pretty slow little meandering boat ride, and it's really colorful. The sights and sounds are actually kind of cool. What do you think?
I would agree. It's kind of a little slow paced. I liked Frozen better than I liked Pandora.
Yeah, I wish they would have come out with just a better ride for this area. They could have had a lot of potential,
the
but
theming is cool. It just could have a little more excitement.
yeah, the excitement level on this is like a 1, maybe a 0. It's pretty low. The plants and animals they've put here to make this look like you're on a different planet are so awesome. So we're going through the fast pass line because it was like a 50-minute wait, and nobody wants to wait 50 minutes. So. Thank you. You can see by the speed we're going, this ride's more like Pirates of the Caribbean or It's a Small World. There's no real thrilling drops, no major speed, or it doesn't go backwards or anything like Frozen. It's just a pretty peaceful cruise through the jungle of Pandora. There you get to see all the pretty cool creatures and animals that you would see in that particular planet. Those are pretty cool. They got frogs actually hopping on them. I'm gonna pan up so you guys can see. To the end of it. It's a fairly short ride. I don't know the actual time on it. I'll try to look it up. But it's not bad. I just think that with all the time and money they had, they could have done a little better job on this.
Heading right
Kilimanjaro
on
Safari.
Now our first stop out here today is the Little Aturi Forest. Now the animals that reside in the Little Aturi Forest are Northshire.
Yeah, but we're
These big blackbirds that are all around us. I have been told that they flew in from a faraway place called Florida just to be a part of your African safari here today. And then coming out of the water is another Nile hippopotamus as well. So now when we have more than one hippo like this, we refer to it as a bloat of hippopotamus.
look at the baby. There's a baby.
I personally think their horns are their most distinctive feature on their body. The inside is a simple honeycomb structure. That honeycomb structure is going to allow the blood flow to circulate throughout the entirety of their horns. It acts like a built-in air conditioner system right on top.
The giraffes, the baby giraffes, and pull the camera on the right. And we have the giraffes on the left. If you guys picture takers, go ahead and take some pictures, put them on your Instagram, your Facebook, your Snapchat, your Twitter, your MySpace, I don't know. This giraffe's gonna be crossing the road. How do I know this? Well, I've been doing this for a while. That's how I know. It's too much experience. There you go. I'm not the kind of person that rushes things. I'm going to take my time. So for those of you who have a fast pass or flight of passage next, you picked the wrong driver. Man, sorry about that. Now we got some sweet views of these giraffes over here. Now this one is probably going to demonstrate how it uses its tongue. Oh, no, just kidding. Right when I say it, decides to go over towards the truck where our animal program person is, getting some that nice vegetation, that nice food. So let's go ahead and see what else is around here. But also there's another giraffe on the left. That one's probably demonstrating how it uses its tongue. Let's hang out for a bit. That seems pretty sweet. Alright, man. Nope, that's really deep. That's alright.
We found Kevin. He's playing with bubbles.
He's picking out ears.
And he's picking out ears. Very cool.